I'm going to start off by saying that I'm sorry. I haven't posted a vlog for 2 days now, and then didn't give you guys the second vlog 3 days ago. I've been slacking because I've been busy. I've been doing online school. I've been with my girlfriend. I've been working. So I just want to say I'm sorry. I've been kind of busy lately. We'll get better in the future though. I just got done playing some GTA. I only have a couple minutes though to talk to you guys because I'm about to go to work. So I don't really know what to say. I should probably eat something first. I ain't got nothing to eat, bro. I do, but nothing that I want to eat right now. I need to get ready. I'm gonna try getting ready right now. Oh man. I've never tried getting ready with one arm before. So trying to get ready, vlogging you guys, it's kind of a pain. One of my legs is inside out. Damn. Here we go. These old jeans, you gotta put on shit. Here we go. That goes on a lot easier now. Damn. Gotta be at work in like 30 minutes. I got time. I always wear shorts with my jeans. It may sound weird, but I always do. I'm just trying to tuck them in right now. It's kind of a pain when you wear jeans. And yes, it sounds weird, I wear shorts underneath other shorts too. So I'm just weird like that. So got my jeans on. Shoes are in the truck. Shit. I'm gonna put you guys down real quick. Alright, I'm back. Sorry about that, guys. My shoes are in my truck. I am not gonna vlog and drive. That is unsafe. I probably will in the future if I'm needing to, but I'm not really feeling it if I'm just going to work, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna say no to vlogging and driving. I probably look hella ratchet right now. Yeah, my hair's all messed up. My hair gets real bad back here. Real bad. I need to get it cut. I'm gonna dye it brown. I hate my hair color. That'll do for now. I'll fix it later at work. Well, damn. I don't know what to do. I think I got everything. Let go. Some hot ass shit out here. Excuse my language. Look at a beautiful truck right here. Got me a Dodge Durango. Damn, she hot. I'll show you under the hood. Ain't nothing special, but I got some shit going on under here. I'll show you guys. Give me a second. I'll fire it up too. Damn. Look at that. Look at that. I don't know how well you guys can see. It's a 4.7 liter V8 with a 4-inch air filter, cold air intake. Got that small little mug over here too. That is beep beep beep. Sorry for my corny sound effects. I'll fire it up for you guys. Talking about. It's your boy's truck right there. I'm gonna cut this vlog off. About to go to work. Get that paper. Not really, I barely make any paper. I work at fucking Pizza Hut. Kill me. Alright. Peace out, guys. I'll see you in the next vlog. Like this video. Subscribe if you want to see more. Peace out.